In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Typeform in just 5 minutes. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can seamlessly incorporate your Typeform into your website or email, making it easy for users to engage with your content. First, you'll need to head over to the Typeform website. So, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to www.typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to enter your credentials. If you have a Typeform account connected with your email address, Google, Microsoft, or any other authentication service, you can use those details to log in. Simply enter your email address and password, or follow the prompts for your chosen login method. Then click the login button to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Typeform dashboard where you can see all the forms you've created. Look through the list and select the form you'd like to embed. When you click it, you'll be taken to the Typeform editor page. Here, take a glance up at the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll spot a button labeled Share. Click on the Share button and you'll be presented with several sharing options. The choice you're interested in here is Embed, so go ahead and click that option. Typeform provides various embed options tailored to different needs. You might want to embed your form directly within an email, place it on a web page, or simply share a direct link. Selecting the right option depends on how you plan to reach your audience. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can now embed your Typeform wherever you need it. This ability to seamlessly incorporate forms into emails and web pages ensures that you can gather information and insights from your audience without any hassle. Before we finish, here are a couple of additional tips to keep in mind. When embedding your Typeform on a web page, make sure you're using the right HTML code provided by Typeform for smooth integration. This helps the form display correctly and function without issues. Also, consider the user experience. Ensure the design of your form matches the overall aesthetic of your website to provide a cohesive look and feel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes embedding your Typeform a breeze. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and happy embedding.